I think we're the only company employing the liver consciously in a way that we generate tolerance by using this natural process.
Hi, I'm Lucie Ellis, Senior Editor at Scrip, and I'm here at Bio-Europe in Berlin, and I'm joined by Timm Jessen, the CEO of Topas Therapeutics. So thanks for joining me.
Hi, Lucie.
I wondered if you could start talking a bit about your background. You previously worked at Evotec and Sanofi, and now you're at Topas. How does that journey go?
Yeah, my background is that of a biochemist to start with. I spent some time in the pharmaceutical industry, a company called Höchst AG, now Sanofi, in the 90s. And then I joined Evotec in 97 and was CSO of Evotec for 7 years. And after that, I founded 3 companies. One of that is today Topas, where Evotec, I have to say, was instrumental to get it off the ground.
Okay, and can you talk a bit about your technology and the novel approach that you're developing?
Yeah, the technology, very neat. We are actually mimicking a natural process. So-called blood-borne antigens are processed by the liver every day when you have food or other things. And we mimic these blood-borne antigens, and the liver generates tolerance against that. So these blood-borne antigens are not fought by the immune system, rather they are generated regulatory T cells, as we say, which establish tolerance antigen specifically. And that's what we are mimicking with our little nanoparticles.
And what stage of development are you at, and what are the next steps?
Yeah, we've shown proof of concept in animal models now several times, and are developing these nanoparticles into products. That needs a GMP process, obviously, and hopefully we get that done next year, with hopefully getting into the clinic by 31st of December 18, so by next year.
And talking of partnerships then, you've recently had a deal with Lilly, but what other arrangements have you got ongoing?
Yeah, we have one with Evotec as well in the type 1 diabetes field. The one with Lilly is of general interest to the technology aspect we have. There's also an indication behind which I can't name, but there's a very detailed and specific approach to do that. We're open to other collaboration also with Pharma, ideally on an indication-specific level, that would be.
And is that what brings you to Bio-Europe?
Exactly.
And what else are you looking for from a partner? What would they have to bring to the table?
Yeah, we have, in terms of partnership, it can be a collaboration where a pharma comes by and names a collaboration, or names an indication and says this is what we want to do. But we're also looking for academics or biotech who in a risk-shared model go forward together with us, who bring the expertise in the pharmacology and the animal model, and we bring the particles and the drug discovery experience.
And how is the company financed at the moment?
Yeah, we have a consortium of VC and strategic investors, Gimv, Epidarex Capital, EMBL and Evotec, and just lately, last week, we announced Boehringer Ingelheim Venture Fund. We're very happy for them joining the syndicate. So it's an interesting mix of corporate and financial and strategic investors.
And how far will that take you into the future, and what are the next steps?
2020, I'd say 2020, yeah, but let's see what happens before. Yeah.
And looking at further ahead then, what are your main goals for 2018? What do you want to achieve?
Yeah. First of all, getting the product ready. So the production process with nanoparticles is quite challenging, but we think we can get it done and get the IND filed, and then hopefully have the first patient in 2018. That would be wonderful.
And who are your competitors on this level? Is there anyone doing the same thing?
Not the same thing. I think we're the only company employing the liver consciously in a way that we generate tolerance by using this natural process. A couple of other companies using dendritic cells in the skin or in the spleen, particles maybe core in the States, but most people use peptides as such. We're the only one using it in combination with these little nanoparticles.
And what's your long-term vision for the company?
I think we have so much to do. Focus is one of the challenges, because if this works out, then it applies to autoimmune diseases, it applies to allergies, and it applies to anti-drug antibodies. And I want to see it projected on all these 3 interesting fields, because it's an enormous potential behind each and every of these markets.
Well, thanks for telling us more about that, and we look forward to seeing you.
Pleasure. Thank you.
Enjoy the conference.